morning, grade 7. We know you have, we have completed, I think, 14th topic, and that was related to algebraic formula, isn't it? Now, instead of going to the last topic, that is statistics, let us solve few problems related to our 14th topic from miscellaneous problems set 2. It is given on page number 100, you can see of your notebook. In that, question 5, which is expand, I have written it on the board, you can see. Expand this using the formulas which we have studied earlier. So let us do these problems because they are based on the same formulas which we have learned in topic 14. Now look at the first question, students. It is same as a minus b the whole square. So first write the formula. A minus b the whole square is what? A square minus 2ab plus b square. We have done this. Now what is my a? My a is 2a. And what is b? B is equal to 3b. Now this minus sign is taken care of over here. So while writing a and b, do not write the value of b as minus 3b. Are you understanding? So wherever there is a in formula, you will write only 2a. And wherever there is b, you would write only 3b, not minus 3b. Is this clear? So let's proceed now. So you have 2a minus 3b the whole square is equal to, first is a square. A is what? 2a the whole square. Because there are coefficient term variable, we have over here 2 as well as a. So 2a the whole square. Minus, second is what? 2 into, what is my a? 2a. Into b. B is what? 3b. This is first term, this is second term, and third term is plus sign. And what is your b? 3b the whole square. It is not only the square of b. How many elements are there in the b? You have to put square for all of them. So I am using brackets. Alright? Okay. Now this square goes for 2 as well as a. 2 square is 4. A square of a is a square. Done? Minus. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. A into b is ab plus 3 square is 9. B square of b is b square. So this is your final answer. I hope it is clear. Now those who know how to solve it, you solve on your own and then you can check from the video. Alright, do not copy. It is not mandatory or it is not necessary every time you should be copying, because this has already been learned by you. I expect you to do it on your own and then check from the video if you are doing it in the right way. If something is wrong, you can correct yourself. Alright, let's go to the second problem from expand. So second problem from expand is 10 plus y the whole square. 10 plus y the whole square. Which formula are we going to use now? Plus is there. So a plus b the whole square. What is the expansion? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Write what is a. Your a is 10, isn't it? And your b is y. Now substitute 10 plus y the whole square would be, now a is what? 10. So 10 square plus 2 into 10 into y plus b is what? Y. So y square. Here two elements are not there in that term and therefore only without bracket also I can write. Here also I could have written without bracket. So you can write just 10 square. Okay. There is only one element over here. So 10 square is how much? 100 plus 2 tens are 20. Y plus y square. So this is your very easy, no? Just put into the formula. So that's your final answer we got. So we have 100 plus 20y plus y square. Okay, let's go for the third problem. Shall we move on? So third question is p by 3. Take down this. Please solve. So third question is now P upon 3 plus Q upon 4 the whole square. Now this is again A plus B the whole square will be A square plus 2AB plus B square. What is your A now? Your A is P upon 3 and your B is Q upon 4. So P by 3 plus Q by 4 the whole square will be P by 3, that is your A. So A square plus 2 into A is what? P by 3 into B is what? Q by 4 plus B is what? Q upon 4 the whole square. Done? Only substitution. Now square of P is P square, square of 3 is 9 plus. Now see, you can cancel this, there is multiplication. 2 1s are and 2 2s are. So it is P into Q is PQ upon 3 2s are 6. Alright, plus square of Q is Q square, square of 14 is 16. So what would be your final answer if you check? Your final answer would be P square upon 9 plus PQ upon 6 plus Q square upon 16. I hope it is clear. Okay, now let's go to one more problem. Y minus 3 upon y, the whole, fourth one, the whole square. So let's go for the fourth problem also. So your fourth problem is now y minus 3 upon y the whole square. This is a minus b the whole square. What is the formula? A square minus 2ab plus b square. What is your A? A is y. What is your b? It is 3 upon y. Substitute y minus 3 upon y. The whole square will be a square. A is y, so y square. Minus 2 into, what is a? Y. What is b? 3 upon y. Plus b is what? 3 upon y, the whole square. Done? Which is equal to y square is y square minus. Now this y and this y can be cancelled. 3 2s are 6 plus square of 3 is 9, square of y is y square. So this is your final answer. So what do we get? Y square minus 6 plus 9 upon y square. I hope it is very clear and you just have to substitute in your formulas, nothing doing. Just take care of minus sign. Minus sign is already taken care of in the formula. So when you take value of b, do not take along with this minus sign when it comes to this formula. Alright. So that's all from my side for today, students. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you.